Jeff Fairzman had Homestead. Work continues here in the Homestead utility room. Let's get some electrical in there. Check out these next few videos. So the electrical in the mud room. I kind of give you a sneak peek here. So it took me like 2 months to do this electrical, and the basic reason is because it's like 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. So my videos are choppy. So I'm going to try to put together some videos to show you what I kind of did. So I like the idea of the outside. This conduit, I painted it what they call a hammered silver. That is 1 inch up there. That is 3/4 inch there. Put a couple outlets up high because I wanted to. These here I used a regular quarter piece because I didn't want to buy a separate bender just for that. And it's going to come around, and I stopped there because I don't know how much further I'm going to go down. There's a sneak peek of my sink. So I don't know how far down I'm going to go. So I left that, and then I'm going to do a video on how I got this wire through this conduit, especially the corner pieces, because oh my gosh, what a pain in the neck until I found a great solution. And I'm not going to show you that solution yet. I even got a little place to hang some clothes because I was ironing clothes the other day. Some LED lights. Even these lights here, they were kind of a different color, so I painted them same color, so all of it kind of matches. And it goes over behind there and there. You guys think I have enough paper towels and toilet paper? I'm set. So let me kind of show you in my videos. It goes with the floor too. The floor is kind of a grayish silver floor too. So this is what I've done. So now my next couple of videos is going to show you a little bit more details. But it's going to be choppy because like I said, when I was doing it, I took forever to do it, and I wanted to try to get it done as fast as possible, and that was like 2 months. So anyhow, that's what happens when you're trying to do it by yourself and you're also trying to work. These here, these are just metal boxes. I cut these out. So I cut them out. Like I only had to cut one for right there and one for right there. But yeah, I cut those out. I cut these out. These I didn't paint. I guess I could still take them out and paint them. But right now they look fine. In fact, you kind of, when you first glance, you don't really notice. The box is silver. Those are gray. I guess they contrast just enough so you can tell that there's an outlet there, which is, I guess, alright. I don't know, I'm making it up. So, anyhow, let me kind of show you in the next videos of what I got. So there you go. Work continuing here on the homestead, slowly but surely. It's coming along. Thanks for tuning in. See you, bye, have fun.